This move-in ready-end unit townhouse has an open floor plan and no maintenance fee. Spacious living room flows into the dining room right next to the fully equipped kitchen with pantry. Updated first floor powder room. Large master bedroom with dressing area and triple closets. Second bedroom is also roomy with double closets. Door from master bedroom or hall lead into updated full bath. High EFFI furnace and air conditioner. Only 2 years old. Newer hot water tank. Sliding door from living room leads out to large deck and private wooded backyard. Large laundry room with space for extra storage. Only minutes to downtown, shopping, public transportation and bike trail to the city and North Shore.